Okay. So see, I will list some words like the first one is for example this elucidate. You guys can write these words. Elucidate. Okay. And one by one you guys have to tell the meaning of the elucidate and with example. Then I will tell with example. Okay. So elucidate. Tell me the meaning. Bhagya, you tell the meaning. Whatever you know, just tell.
No, I don't know.
Elucidate. You tell me the general meaning. What is elucidate? Okay.
Describing anything.
Let me show one example. Then I think you will understand. Let me show an example. I think elucidate. It is a.
Excuse me.
Okay, there is one question. Land degradation is you can write the question. Land degradation is hampering food security in India. Elucidate.
Explain.
Yeah, it seems like explain, na? But there is some minute difference. Hampering food security in India. Elucidate. So can I replace this word elucidate with highlights? You can write slash highlights.
Elucidate become the negative impact, no?
No. You will get to know. Just write right now. Highlights, then slash explain, slash illustrate, and slash clarify. So now imagine that if a question is like that, land degradation is hampering food security in India, clarify. So will you write the same content if question has asked elucidate? You write some same content.
Same. Like.
All are not same. We are using
మరి ఎందుకు పక్కన రాసుకోమన్నాడు?
if ఇలా అడిగితే నువ్వేం చేస్తావు అని అడుగుతాను.
ఇన్నెందుకు అడుగుతాడు?
అన్ని కాదురా, ఇల్లుస్ట్రేట్ ప్లేస్ లో హైలైట్ అడిగితే, ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అడిగితే, క్లారిఫై అని అడిగితే
Yeah.
ఎలా రాస్తావు?
I know I can explain this one. Explain is basically telling
ఇలా
what it is
ఒక్కొక్క దానికి
about.
అడిగితే నువ్వు అన్ని ఒకే
You
క్వశ్చన్
have to explain the sentence.
ఒకే ఆన్సర్ రాస్తావా అని అడుగుతున్నాడు.
Okay.
అలా రాయకూడదనే కదా.
Clarify means is proving something, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And I don't know about this, yaar. I don't know about elucidate, highlight or illustrate.
Okay. See, these words which I have told now, actually they are under one category, but still they have some internal difference. You can say that when there is a word elucidate na, so it means you have to use data and facts to prove your points. So you can write elucidate means you have to use more data and facts. Suppose that you are writing that okay, this problem is leading to food insecurity. So you have to give the example, you have to give the name of the report. Under which reports you are saying this. So this is elucidate, yes, means with example and data you have to write your answer. And second one is what? Illustrate. There was, yes. And it means
More examples.
no. It means you have to what? Make them diagrams. Suppose that if you are showing that okay, this problem is leading to this, so you have to show in diagram pictures through pictures.
But in theory, what we write if it is illustrate?
Flow chart.
You will write theory. At the same time, you will also draw a diagram.
First theory, then diagram.
Yeah. So this means that they are asking just illustrate means we have diagrammatic representation actually. And third is highlights. I told you na. Yeah. See the highlights of IPLs or match. It means ki B point out some important things like
Summary,
yeah.
important summary type
So
of thing, right?
if there is a word highlight na, it means ki we have to see there are many things, but we have to point out some important things which are very very important. Suppose that there are many things which lead to food insecurity, but what are the major things which leads to food insecurity? So generally, if there is a word highlights, so what you have to use that? We have to write generally in point format rather than in para format. So you guys can remember this. Point format generally highlights, not in detail. Just put the keyword and subheading, then explain in your language in easy manner. And what was one that was explain. So yeah, explain means कि see you have to, if there is any word explain attached with any questions, it means कि you have to show how and why. HOW and WHY. Yeah, this generally simple meaning.
Clarify.
Clarify just similar to elucidate. You can write with that elucidate. Clarify seems to be similar. Suppose that we are discussing something, so some people say na, ki just clarify, I'm not getting what you are saying. So clarify means more clarification, clarity. So that is only means you have to give some more points, more examples, more data, so that I can agree with you. So this is called clarification.
Even these words are same as the presentation you told me. It's like presenting the answer in a way. Right?
Yeah. See, in the beginning, all words will seem similar, but when you will keep on practicing with the questions, you will get to know okay, what are the basic difference? Yes, what are the basic difference? But these words which I told you, they are under one category. Actually, I have classified these words. I have classified into 5 to 6 categories. So this is the first category actually. Yeah. So these words which I told you, actually they have a lot of subjectivity in it. Do you know what is subjectivity? Let me tell that. Let that Bhagya tell. Subjectivity. Tell me.
बताओ.
Concept में.
You tell.
Subjectivity, it's kind of
What is opposite to subjectivity?
objectivity.
So you guys can tell them.
Acha, I know subjectivity to explain it more in the concise form, like in the explain deep form.
Okay.
And objectivity is explained in the very concise form, precise form. Very small form objectivity
Yeah.
with the keywords, that's it.
Yeah, it means that when there is a subjectivity, it means that you have a more scope to explain. But when there is a objectivity, it means you have to just write in point format. To people say not to the point. Means to the point you have to write. So this is actually basic difference. So these words actually are attached with subjectivity. It means that the more you will think, the more you will get. Yeah. And I will give you one question in each word, and you guys have to write. Then you will able to understand. Then when I will evaluate you guys, and I will also send you one question which I have written in this. Then you guys will understand, I think. I hope you guys are getting right. Next category. Write the next category.
That is not important. Less scope to explain. Less scope to explain.